Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. And Demi, my favorite partner. Let's learn PHAT, spelled P-H-A-T, PHAT. 48 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts, and it's a high improvement. Here's a preview of the steps for PHAT. Starting with your right foot, going forward a little bit on the diagonal. The step sheet says to do a step hitch, but when I see it on the dance floor, they do a step and a little flick back with the opposite leg. So let's try that. So we do right, flick, left, flick, walk, walk, out, out, in, kick, turn, weave, step, weave, touch, and chug it. 3, 4, over your right shoulder, half a turn, a V, out, out, in, shake your butt for 4 counts, kick and point, pivot, half, kick, ball, step, turn, a quarter, hold, half, hold, point, together, point, hold, and turn. Start again with your forward, flick, walk, walk, out, out, in. Let's break it down. First 8 counts, step, little flick. So it's right, flick, left, left, flick, right, 2 steps, right, left, out, out, in, right, left, left. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Moving on, we're going to do a half turn over our right shoulder with a low kick into a weave. So we just finished out, out, in, kick, step, behind side cross, step, behind side cross, and point to the right. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Third 8, turn. Chugs, making a half turn over our right shoulder. Our toes already out, so we push, 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 or paddle, 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 paddle. So it's chug, 2, 3, 4, V-step, out, out, in. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. For the fourth 8, we're going to shake your butt 4 times and do 2 kick and points. So it looks like this. Just finished our V, out, out, in. Your feet are together. You do 4 shakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick up your right foot. Do a kick and point to the side. And then do it again, but with the left foot. Kick front, point side with the right foot. Kick and point. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. For the fifth 8, we just finished our kick and point, kick and point. We're going to do a half turning pivot over our left shoulder, step, half, pivot, right foot, kick, ball, step, so it's a kick, ball, forward. Then we do a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping, and hold. Pick up your left foot and do a half turn over your left shoulder again. Now a half turn. Step, hold. So it looks like this. Pivot, step, kick, ball, step, and a quarter, hold, and half, hold. You can do a little bounce if you want. I see them doing that. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, hold, 6, and 7, hold, 8. Last 8. We're facing our new wall, 9 o'clock. We're going to point with the right foot, point to the side, bring it in, point to the left, bring it in, point right, hold, and then turn right. So it's kind of like a prep, and you have 2 counts to turn. all the way around back to 9 o'clock. So the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Let's review the steps on our 12 o'clock wall, starting with a diagonal step forward with the flicks or hitches. So start with our right foot, step, flick, 2 walks, right, left, out, in, kick, step, behind, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, point, chug, 1, 2, 3, 4, V, out, in, shake your butt, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a right kick and point, and a left kick and point, and a pivot, and a kickball change, and a step, and a point together, and a point together, and a point, turn, and step, hitch, or flick. And the counts are from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Hold 6, 7. Hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 6. Turn 7, 8, and walk. Pa, pa. That's it. It's so fun, but it's pretty fast. Enjoy PHAT, PHAT line dance. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Have a great day. You deserve it.